Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Today we are diving into the Samsung A53 5G and whether it's still a smart buy in 2024. We are going to break down its design, performance, camera, battery life and everything else you need to know before making a decision. So let's get right into it. Let's start with the design. The A53 keeps things simple. With its plastic back and frame, while that might not scream premium, it still feels sturdy and well built. It also has an IP67 rating, meaning it's water and dust resistant, which is a nice bonus for a mid-range smartphone. In 2024, the design isn't groundbreaking, but it's functional and sleek enough for most users. Now, if you're someone who cares a lot about how their phone feels in the hand, this one strikes a decent balance. Not as luxurious as glass and metal designs, but you can definitely count on it for durability. One area where the A53 shines is the display. It has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. And even in 2024, that's impressive for a phone in this price range. Colors are vibrant, the brightness holds up well even outdoors, and the high refresh rate makes everything feel smoother, whether you are scrolling through social media or playing games. For content consumption, watching Netflix, YouTube, or just browsing the web, you are not going to be disappointed with the display quality. Now let's talk about performance. The A53 is powered by Exynos 1280 chip, and while it was decent when the phone launched, it's starting to show its age in 2024. It can still handle everyday tasks like messaging, web browsing, and light gaming without too much trouble, but it can struggle with more intensive apps or multitasking. If you are a heavy user or someone who demands top-tier performance, this phone might feel a bit sluggish compared to newer devices in 2024. On the camera side, the A53 still holds up pretty well. It has a quad camera setup with a 64 main sensor, which captures sharp, detailed photos in good lighting. The ultra-wide, macro and depth sensors add versatility, but they aren't that impressive in low light. In 2024, this camera can still get the job done for casual photography, especially for social media. But if you're into serious mobile photography, you might want to look elsewhere. One of the strong points of the A53 is the battery life. With a 5000 mAh battery, you can easily get through a full day of use, even with the 120Hz display. Battery drain isn't too severe. However, fast charging is capped at 25 watts, which isn't as fast as some of the competition, so you will need to be a bit patient when recharging. For most people though, the battery life will be more than sufficient, and it's one of the reasons this phone still makes sense in 2024. Samsung has been doing a great job with the software support, and the A53 is no exception. This phone is expected to receive security updates until 2026. Which means you're still covered for a couple of more years. It's running on UI 6 based on Android 14, and while the software is smooth and packed with features, you might not get the same level of optimization as you would with the flagship device. But if long-term support software is important to you, the A53 remains a reliable option. So is the Samsung A53 5G still worth buying in 2024? Well, if you're looking for a solid mid-range phone with a great display, excellent battery life, and decent cameras, it's a strong contender. However, if performance is your priority or you need cutting-edge features, there are better options available in the same price range. Ultimately, it depends on your needs. If you're looking for a dependable phone for everyday use and don't mind few compromises, the A53 5G is still worth considering in 2024. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.